The year was 2010. A man named Li Jun sat down with a small group of engineers in Beijing and made a bet that most people thought was crazy. He wanted to build world class technology and sell it to the ordinary people at prices they could actually afford. His company was called as Xiaomi, which literally means millet in Chinese, the food of common people, and that name was intentional. Within 4 years, Xiaomi became the largest smartphone brand in China and within a decade, one of the top five on the planet. But Li Jun never wanted to just build hardware. So, quietly behind the product launches and the flashy phone announcements, he built an AI research team called as MiMo. And this team didn't chase just headlines. They went after something harder, something most AI labs were happy to leave unsolved. They asked a simple question: can we build a machine that truly understands how humans actually speak? Not only that, they have been dabbling in other models, as you can see on my channel that I have been covering their models from day zero. Now, recently, they have just released this ASR model, which we are going to install locally in this video and we are going to test it out. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Now, we will kick off the installation and then we will talk more around this model and its architecture in as simple words as possible. I am going to use this Ubuntu system. I have this GPU card NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM, but you really don't need that much GPU VRAM. We will show you how much it consumes. I am going to create this virtual environment with Conda. It is not mandatory, but always a good idea. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Please also follow me on X if you are looking for AI updates, and of course hype the video and like and subscribe if you really think this helps you out. Next up, let's git clone the repo of this and I will drop the link to it in video's description. And now let's install all the requirements from the root of the repo. And now let's run the Gradio demo from the root of the repo, and this is first time when you run this, this is going to launch the download of the model. And the model is being downloaded. While that happens, let's talk more around this model as what exactly this one is. So this is a MIMO V2.5 ASR bilingual, just English and Chinese, which is of course a limitation in this day and time. Anyway, this is an end-to-end speech recognition model trained in three stages. First, on an enormous amount of audio to build a deep foundation, then fine-tuned with high-quality examples, and finally refined with reinforcement learning, teaching the model to self-correct and improve. Now, the result natively supports a dialect of over a billion people, mainly focused on Chinese. It seems like Wu, Cantonese, Hokkien, Henan, and Mandarin. Handles Chinese English code switching without configuration, which is quite good. Also transcribes song lyrics, it seems, from their GitHub repo through heavy accompaniment and works in noisy environments, crowded meetings, and live streams. When the benchmark came in, I was quite surprised. It has beaten Whisper Large V3, crushed Gemini 3.1 Pro on dialect, and landed at top of the OpenASR leaderboard. But I'm not going to go with these benchmarks. We will test it by ourselves. One of the cool thing which I think is quite interesting is that the problem they are trying to solve is mainly, how the daily life happens as common people work. For example, a grandmother in Guangzhou switching between Cantonese and Mandarin, or a founder in Shanghai mixing English technical terms into every other sentence, a singer performing live with a full band crashing behind their vocals, a meeting room with five people talking over each other. That messy, beautiful, chaotic reality of human communication is what this ASR model is trying to solve, and that is exactly what I'm going to test in this video. And there you go, the model is downloaded and now being served at locally on our local host at the default, um, not the default radio port 7898. Let's access it. Let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption first. So let's run this. So consuming just touch over 18 gig of VRAM, not bad for an 8 billion parameter ASR model. Okay, now let's test it out. And this is what the interface looks like. Let me do the first test by uploading an audio. Now this first audio is a language switch, so it has both English and Chinese mix. Let me play it.
我昨天去 supermarket 买东西，结果 parking 实在太 difficult 了，绕了差不多 half an hour 才找到一个 spot，真的很 frustrated。然后进去之后，发现好多东西都 out of stock，特别是我想买的那个 brand 完全没有，只能买了一些 basic 的东西就走了。
So let me now transcribe it. Let me run this. Let's wait for it to come back with the result. There you go. So very quick actually. Let me now play it again and then we will check. So I'll just go to the start. Let's play this.
我昨天去 supermarket 买东西，结果 parking 实在太 difficult 了，绕了差不多 half an hour 才找到一个 spot，真的很 frustrated。然后进去之后，发现好多东西都 out of stock，特别是我想买的那个 brand 完全没有，只能买了一些 basic 的东西就走了。回到家已经很累了，整个人都很 tired。所以 just order takeaway online， 也懒得 cook 了。然后躺在沙发上看了个 Netflix， 剧情还挺 interesting 的，但是看到一半就睡着了。第二天早上
Pretty good. What do you think? The code switching is really amazing. And by the way, the audio which I'm using is from this corpus. I have just downloaded random files. And now I have grabbed a meeting clip from the same corpus. It is transcribing at the moment. As soon as it is done, I will play it and we will check. Okay, let me play this.
One way of looking at it would be, well, the people producing television sets, maybe they have to buy. People who have TV sets are really fed up with their remote control and they really want a better
And yes, I know that the audio quality is low, but this is a real meeting recording.
one or something.
My parents went and bought remote controls because
It's very, very
they're
low.
having like 4 or 5 different remote controls for each
Right.
house.
Right,
So for
Okay,
them it
so-
was just how many devices to control.
right. So in function, one of the priorities might be to combine as many.
So you just have to, pay attention. But what I have heard so far, I think it has transcribed it quite well. The only drawback here is that it doesn't really differentiate between the speakers. So there is a male speaker, there is a female speaker, but it has just transcribed in just one blob and has dumped the whole transcription here. So I think that is one thing they need to improve in the future versions. But the great thing is that even with that low quality audio, it was able to extract the text as is. Let's do a quick test in my own voice. Hello, this is a test of my fine-tuned voice. This is Fahad Mirza. Please like the video, subscribe to channel and become a member. Thanks for all the support. So you see the transcription in just Chinese or English is very good. I mean, no doubt about that. Even if the low quality meeting, it can handle that. And we also saw that the code switching is also quite good. So that's it. That is Xiaomi's MiMo model for you. Pretty impressive in terms of ASR. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Again, thank you for all the support. Please follow me on X. Thanks.